Hey everybody, I'm Ben, and today I thought I'd show you what I did to fix my Honda Odyssey 2007 LX, I believe it is. The latch was not, the back latch was not opening. So the first thing I did was I removed all of this plastic off of the back door. You basically just take a screwdriver around and kind of peel it up little by little, and then you'll pop it out. And there's a couple of things like this that pop in and hold it in place. There's also a couple clips. That was actually kind of like marred up like that before I even did anything. So obviously somebody's had this off before I've had it. So we noticed here a couple of weeks ago that the latch did not want to open. I saw a couple of videos online where you basically put a screwdriver in this, and it's the locking mechanism that wasn't causing the door to come open or closed. But in reality is what I found to be the case is the actual little piece of plastic here that opens and closes. You can kind of pull on that and it will release this here. It obviously doesn't do that now, but if I pretend and simulate that this is the door, let's get a bigger screwdriver here, pull up on this, and that simulates that that is closed. If I pull on this here, you can see that it will unlatch. And all that the problem was is you can kind of see right where, see if I can get that to focus in. You can see there's a place for that spring cable there to hold into place and lock into place. And all I did was I just securely put that back into place and everything was good. So now I just need to put the cover back in place and we're all good. So thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. It took me about probably about 45 minutes to figure out what the problem was, because I thought it was always that white latch. And come to find out that that's not what that was. I was able to pull my hand back in behind and pull it a little bit, and then that's how I found out that it was just not in the right spot. So I thought the cable was going to be broken and had to order a new cable, which is not the end of the world. But regardless, it is now fixed, and I'm Ben Plickard. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great day. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel.